Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing business visa applications and business visa extension applications and workplace photos associated therewith. This is a pretty common thing associated with business visa extension. For those who've been through the business visa extension process here in Thailand, you're probably well aware of this. You got to take relevant photos with relevant employees who make up part of the company. As folks may or may not be aware, there is a 4-to-1 ratio of Thai employees to foreign nationals working in most types of businesses here in Thailand, and oftentimes they want to see at least some kind of recordation photographically of those employees as well as the foreign national. Not exactly the most fun thing to do. I know a number of folks who really don't relish dealing with their business visa application, their business visa extension application, I should say. And let me be clear, I was one of them. When I had a business visa here in Thailand, that was something that I had to deal with, and it wasn't my favorite thing to do once a year. So it's just kind of part of the process. I know there are folks maybe that think it's somewhat silly, but understand there are a lot of heavy types of scrutiny in Western immigration systems that Thailand doesn't even get anywhere near to. So on balance, yeah, it's not my favorite thing to do, but comparatively, is it all that bad compared to what you need to deal with to go ahead and maintain ongoing work authorized status in the U.S.? Frankly, I think it's like comparing apples and bowling balls. It's really not the same comparison in the sense that the U.S. has far, far more regulations and restrictions associated with such things compared to Thailand. Now that said, it's still something you have to deal with. Again, wasn't my favorite thing to deal with, but again, these workplace photos are kind of an integral part of the application for an extension of business visa status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.